Hello, creative friends. Welcome back to Toppick Reviews. When it comes to precision woodworking and professional joinery techniques, one name that can't be missed is Kreg. Today, we're going to dissect 11 of Kreg's most innovative products, from the latest track saw collection to the legendary jig that will take your furniture projects to the next level. Without further ado, let's take a look at a series of tools that will change the way you work with wood. Read the review until the end. Turn your circular saw into a precision cutting tool with the Kreg Rip Cut. This tool lets you cut large sheets of wood with high accuracy without the need for manual guidelines. The sled's universal design allows for easy installation on almost any type of circular saw, whether left-handed or right-handed. The large edge grip maintains stable contact with the material, ensuring every cut is as straight and consistent as a professional table saw. Build furniture faster with the Kreg Revel 20V. This cordless pocket hole drill lets you create hidden screw holes with just one pass of the drill. With no manual clamping required, you can create strong, clean joinery anywhere. The package includes a 2Ah battery and blue-ion charger, making it the most efficient portable joinery solution for interior projects and home DIY. Get complete control when cutting curves with the Kreg Barrel Grip Jigsaw. The ergonomic barrel grip design brings your hand closer to the blade for unmatched accuracy. Featuring an integrated LED light and dust blower, your cut line will always be clearly visible. With a toolless blade change system and variable speed, this saw is incredibly reliable for cutting both hardwood and fine laminates with exceptional accuracy. Installing cabinet doors is no longer a chore with the Kreg Cabinet Door Mounting Jig. This tool acts as a third hand that holds your cabinet doors steady while you install the hinges. Adjustable for both frameless and framed doors, this tool ensures precise door positioning every time. Equipped with micro-adjustment shims, you can adjust the door position down to the last millimeter for a perfect symmetrical finish. The Kreg 20V Compact Circular Saw is a powerful cutting solution in the palm of your hand. Its high-powered, brushless motor cuts plywood and 2x4 beams with incredible smoothness. Its compact size makes it incredibly easy to control for precise cuts in tight spaces. Safety is assured with a quick-stop blade brake and smooth startup. This complete package with a 4Ah battery is ready to help make your home renovation projects easier. Want a perfectly straight cut without any flaws? The Kreg Plunge Cut Track Saw is the answer. Specifically designed for use with a guide track, this saw delivers a high level of precision in construction and cabinetry. The blade-left design provides maximum visibility for right-handed users. Without the hassle of a cord, you can freely cut thick wood or plywood vertically or horizontally with incredibly clean, straight cuts. The Kreg 20V Impact Driver features an ultra-compact design, yet delivers an incredible 2,200 in-pounds of torque. With 3 speed settings and reverse assist mode, you can drive both small and large screws without damaging wood surfaces. An integrated LED light helps you work in dark cabinet corners. Its size of only 4.4 inches makes it the most reliable tool for furniture assembly in hard-to-reach spaces. Drill at any angle precisely using the Kreg Drill Guide Pro. This tool allows you to adjust the drill angle from -45 to 45 degrees accurately without limitations. Equipped with a dust collector adapter, your work area will remain clean from wood shavings. Non-slip feet and V-grooves on the bottom ensure the tool does not shift when drilling round or flat materials. Provides the drilling quality of a stationary machine in a portable form. Create mortise and tenon joints with just a standard drill press thanks to the Kreg MortiseMate. This innovative jig features an automatic indexing mechanism that gradually lowers the cutting edge for incredibly accurate holes, suitable for wood from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches thick. Featuring trigger-style clamps for quick installation, this tool makes it easy to create incredibly strong furniture joints without the need for expensive and heavy mortise machines. Installing edge banding is much easier with the Kreg Edge Band Spring Clamp. This clamp uses an elastic band that provides uniform pressure across curved and straight surfaces. Grip Max pads ensure your wood surface is not scratched during the gluing process. Its one-handed design is very helpful when you need to hold the material while locking the clamp. The best choice for cabinet detail work. Perfect your woodworking details with the convenient cordless Kreg 20V trim router. Its compact design fits perfectly in your hand for precise edge trimming or decorative profiling. With its smooth rack and pinion depth adjustment system, you can customize your routing to the smallest detail. Featuring dual LED lights to illuminate your work area and a spindle lock system for quick bit changes, this tool provides unhindered, cord-free maneuverability in your workshop. Those are 11 top-rated Kreg products proven to provide incredible ease and precision for every woodworking project. Which Kreg product caught your eye the most, or is already on your shopping list this month? Let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to continue supporting this channel by clicking the like button, sharing this video with your fellow woodworkers, and be sure to subscribe to Toppick Reviews to stay updated on the coolest woodworking tools. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next top-rated tool review.